Hello everyone. Today I'm posting a video about this technique I invented. Uh, I don't know, I haven't seen anyone doing this kind of method of slicing or pin boards. The reason I came up with this is because sometimes the slabs I need to cut they're at a sloping angle. As you can see, this one it's tilting from side to side, from top to bottom. So I found out it's impossible to keep the chainsaw in line while cutting. So I put a straight edge and some blocks of wood to keep the chainsaw straight while I sliced. This was very successful, and anyway, as you can see here, the cut is pretty good and straight. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the description what you think. Thanks.